In this video, we are going to explain how to get free credits in Emergent AI fast plus promo code. So, when you first sign up for Emergent AI, you are actually going to have free credits. So if you go to the upper right corner of your screen, click on the profile here, and as you can see, your credits, we have 10. This is enough for, well, around like one simple app. If you're looking to create or develop an app, a full stack app that is a bit more complex, 10 credits might not be enough. With that said, how do you get additional or promo codes? You're going to see here, as you can see here, you've already redeemed the 95% off coupon. Here's another great deal. So they have Google 20, so copy that. And then when you subscribe, right, buy credits, you can add, when you go to the checkout, you can add this code so you could save more money. So that's pretty much it. If you see other codes in other websites that says this is a code for Emergent, you can try it out, right? But be careful not to click any suspicious links and make sure that it's from a legitimate source. But for the most part, Emergent is going to be giving the codes themselves right here, as you can see. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. Will see you on the next video.